to show you how to do a 3-needle bind off, and the most important thing about a 3-needle bind off is remembering that it's going to create a line. It's going to create a line right across the top, and if you want that to show, that's great. But if you're doing a cowl where you want it kind of seamless looking, you want to have it so the wrong side is facing up. And then you would take your working yarn and you take your 3rd needle and you go through the 1st stitch and the 2nd stitch, and you just would go ahead and knit it as if you're knitting a regular knit stitch. And then you would go ahead and knit the 2nd stitch, putting that needle through the front leg of each stitch. When you have 2, you would take your needle and bind off that 1 stitch there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And you just continue on as if you were doing your traditional bind off, but you're using 2 stitches instead of 1 stitch. And every time you get 2, then you got to bind off 1, and then you go ahead and knit again. Let me show you what this looks like. It creates a line. So let me see if I can pull this so you can see it. There's the line on that side, so right there. And then if I flip it over, 1 second, I gotta kind of hold it for you. That's what it looks like on the other side, and that's how you do a 3-needle bind off.